In order to use a tool for 4-axis machining, the machine must know the difference in length between that tool and the reference tool that we just used to measure the pivot distance. This is only for 4-axis and can be ignored for 3-axis. First, do a tool set for the reference tool so the machine can measure its length. Enable tool set to measure T1 and press start. The tool offset for T1 has now been recorded into the system. We need to find this and record it. Press Next on the main menu, head to PLC Status, head to PLC Register, and page down until you get to 6000. Record this number here in column 0. We now need to enter that number we just recorded into the system. Press Next on the main menu, head to Parameters, scroll down to 3402, spindle nose to the distance of the tool R82, and input the number you recorded here. Repeat the tool measurement for T1. Back in the PLC register, once the tool measurement is complete, this number should be close to 0. The number 15 refers to 15 microns, which is a negligible distance from 0. In the register, under row 6000, column 1 refers to T1, column 2 is T2, and so forth up to T8. We're now going to do a tool set for each of the remaining tools so that the machine can measure the difference between that tool and the reference tool. Once this is complete, that number should be larger than that of the reference tool. For this demonstration, we're going to do the tool set for T2 and T3. Now we've done the tool set for T2, we have measured the difference between this tool and the reference tool, which is 42.285 millimeters. And now we've done the same thing for T3. This is now 43.328 millimeters. To do 4-axis machining in Fusion 360, we need to enter these lengths into the overall tool length in the CAM software. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact Heliner.